So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and finally eto na, natuloy na. JM's first audition here at GMA Network recorded February 15, and finally na-edit at na-upload ko na. May pasok ako nito later. I'm on night shift and I came from night shift. Pero for friendship's sake, so eto na nga tayo. Andito tayo sa GMA Studios. So, totoo na talaga to. Here he is, filling up his Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho novela form na ako pang humingi. And nakakatuwa kasi gusto na din akong bigyan ng form. Oh, pag-audition din ako.
Camera, ayoko na may filter.
Wala! Oh my gosh, my friend. So, ayun na nga. Bawal lang chaperon. Bawal lang manood ng audition. So, andyan si JM. Ako, dito. Wait ko lang siya. And hopefully, good news.
Thank you.
Mag-hi ka sa friend mong vloggeries. Char.
Congratulations, everyone!
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, sir. Ingat po. Ingat kayong lahat.
Bye-bye.
Ingat
po kayo.
Friend, congrats sa first audition! So, ayan po. Nilibre naman po niya ako ng food dito sa Lydia's Lechon. Tapos po, ito po yung dinuguan. So, ayan. Chika-chika over what transpired in our afternoon. And my God, I can't believe this. Pinag-move it niya ako. Pero kasi nga, may pasok ako ng 10 p.m. And it's still in Pasay. I'm still here in Quezon City. It's past 8. And did you hear that? Bank transfer na lang daw niya. Hinihintay ko pa po yun hanggang ngayon. Thank you, bye!